Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Hyundai Tucson. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface, like concrete. Engage the parking brake completely and place wheel chocks on the wheel diagonally opposite the one you are lifting. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact jacking points and safety precautions specific to your model. Locating the correct jack points is crucial for safety and preventing damage. For the front, find the reinforced seam just behind the front wheels. At the rear, the points are typically just in front of the rear wheels. These are usually strong, flat metal areas, often with small V-notches, designed to support the vehicle's weight. Avoid placing the jack on any suspension parts or plastic trim. Once you've identified the correct jack point, position your jack squarely underneath it. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring the jack remains stable and the vehicle lifts evenly. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground, typically 3 to 6 inches. Immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's reinforced frame near the jack point, then gently lower the vehicle onto them. To lower your Tucson, first raise the vehicle slightly with the jack, just enough to remove the jack stands. Carefully pull the stands out from under the vehicle. Then, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle all the way to the ground. Once the vehicle is fully down, remove the jack and the wheel chocks. Double-check that everything is secure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.